really say this shit. I need to get a better view. Oh wow.
I would record it if I had it. Watch out, I gotta whack him. No! You gotta whack him hard. Don't feel it!
Careful, no.
I'll do it!
Don't not hard enough. Don't get it!
Whack it! Go! Out! I'm mad now. You're shooting me!
Go.
Hello, homie. You gotta get tired.
Don't put this on YouTube. I know, huh?
I know so much drama for something.
Keep going. Here. You gotta kill him. Or say goodbye. Hit him.
Don't kill it.
He's nervous. That's why he keeps pooping. He's nervous. He's pooping.
Hey, Eric. Can I get popping him? Anyway.
You gotta get out of the doorway. He's trying to get out. Get it.
Hey, can I keep whooping him? Until he starts crying and dead and stuff?
Oh, damn, that thing is
Stop
bugging.
running. The classroom. Fabulous.
I don't want to poop on me.
Come on.
Are you still recording?
Yeah?
Whack it. Hey, now want to flag?
Can I nail it? I'll nail it.
Stop getting more rounded up.
Do we seriously have to kill it?
Hey, like the 7 minutes alright. Can I welcome Miss Kayla? Have 2 days.
Yeah, my next class is going to be very functional. I can just tell. Out! Come on, now shush him out. Shush him out the door. Out the door. Hey, get up!
It's fast.
Miss Byrne has bug spray, Eric. I think you have to run over and get it.
Yeah.
I'll run over. Hey, do you have any bug spray?
You're gonna kill it?
I'll kill a humming. I have a hummingbird in my classroom.
You're gonna.
Well, you're gonna kill the bird? Eric's been running around going next to the broom.
I'll do it anyway.
I don't
Oh,
know.
I want you to sit on me.
I'm trying to whack it out. You guys whack it out. We're trying to smush it out the door.
Can I have the broom? I want to kill it.
Hey, oh, look out. How are we going to get him out of his room? He's flying everywhere. Okay.
Go.
Just sit there. Mr. Hogan with the hummingbird. Maybe he knows how to get him. No.
Go get him. Don't get me.
That way. That's not nice.
You nailed it. Go, Edwin.
You're still recording. Oh my god. You better send the video to me.
I don't even have your number.
Get it out. Gotta get it in your face. A hummingbird.
Oh shit. That thing's
Something about the like them, I don't know. See?
No.
Okay, they honk.
They can flap their wings 100 times in a second.
Alright, he's gonna come and get it. Leave it. He's gonna come and get it. That's a hummingbird, right?
Yeah. Look, it's died. Look.
Leave him.
It died.
It died.
It's right there. It's laying. Look. See if I can zoom in.
Oh yeah, it is. It's
What if it leave him?
I need to videotape this.
I got the room, McKinney. Stop flying again.
Is he dead? Can I see it? Can I see it? Can I see it?
Is he?
Is he alive? He's still alive.
Oh, good. He's coming. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Wait right here. He's coming.
Wait, where did you pictures?
Guys, everybody sit down. You're shaking and nervous.
I got the broom.